Please step inside. When you open the door to your house, what is the first thing you feel? The entryway is not just a place to leave your shoes. It is the face of your home. It is the first space that says hello to you after a long, hard day in the outside world. It is a place that welcomes your family and your friends. Today, we invite you on a very long and peaceful journey. We are going to look at a gallery of modern luxury entryway decorating ideas. Every picture you see in this video is designed to give you peace, comfort, and deep inspiration. Sit back, take a deep breath, relax, and let's explore the true beauty of a welcoming home. Let's thinking about the feeling of coming home. The outside world is very fast. It is noisy and full of busy people. But your home must be different. Your home must be a safe sanctuary. When you cross the door and enter a clean, beautiful entryway, your mind instantly changes. You leave your stress outside. You leave your worries outside. A well-designed entrance tells your brain that it's time to rest. In these beautiful pictures, you will see how a simple, elegant design can bring pure positive energy into your life every single day. What makes an entryway look like modern luxury? Many people think luxury means spending a lot of money or having gold and expensive diamonds on the wall. But true modern luxury is much simpler. True luxury is peace. It is a feeling of open space. When you look at this beautiful entrance, you don't see a mess. You don't see 100 coats, heavy bags, and a mountain of shoes on the floor. You can see clean lines. You see organization. Keeping your entrance clear and empty is the biggest secret to an expensive looking home. Notice the beautiful furniture in these spaces. Many of these designs use a very simple cabinets or elegant console tables. Some of these cabinets are floating on the wall. Floating cabinets are a wonderful idea. When the furniture doesn't touch the floor looks much bigger. You can see the beautiful wood or the clean tiles underneath. It makes a hallway feel huge and free. Inside these simple white or gray cabinets, you can hide all your shoes and keys. The mess is gone. Only the beauty remains on the outside. Now, let's talk about a very special element. Look at the mirrors. Almost every beautiful entryway uses a large mirror. A large round mirror is like a magic window on your wall. Why do we love round mirrors? Because the soft circle shapes brings balance to the straight lines of the doors and the walls. A mirror is not just for looking at your face before you leave the house. A mirror catches the light. It takes the natural sunlight from the windows and shares it with the dark corners. It makes a narrow, small hallway look twice as big. It makes the space feel open, happy, and bright. Another beautiful detail in these designs is the connection to nature. We are humans and we need nature to feel calm. You don't need a huge garden inside your house. Just a simple touch is enough. Look at the tall, soft pampas grass and the beautiful vases. Look at the small olive trees in the baskets. Look at the simple green leaves on the table. These little touches of nature brings life into the room. They soften the space. They make the entrance feel alive and fresh. A simple dry branch or a small green plant can completely change the mood of the hallway. Colors play a very big role in how we feel. In a modern luxury entryway, we use colors that whisper, not colors that shout. You will see a lot of soft white, warm beige, gentle gray, and light cream. These natural colors are incredibly elegant. They don't make your eyes tired. They create a beautiful, quiet background for your life. Sometimes we add a little touch of black, a black metal frame on the mirror or a black leg on the table. This small touch of dark color adds strength and sharp style to the soft room. The balance between soft light colors and strong dark details is pure perfection. Let's explore the magic of lighting. Lighting is perhaps the most important part of any room, especially the entrance. During the day, we love the clear, bright, neutral light. But when the sun goes down, the entryway must change. Imagine coming home late at night. You open the door. You don't want harsh, bright hospital light hitting your eyes. You want a warm, soft hug. In these designs, you see the beauty of layered lighting. Look at the small table lamps with soft warm bulbs. Look at the tall elegant candles waiting to be lit. Look at the tiny glowing fairy lights around a branch or resting on a shelf. This warm evening glow is the true definition of a cozy home. A warm light makes the wall look softer. It makes the shadows dance gracefully. It tells you that you are safe. When you have a soft light waiting for you in the hallway, your house feels like a high-end luxury hotel that cares about your comfort. Think about the floor under your feet. Some entrances have beautiful simple rags. A rag adds texture and warmth. It softens the sound of your shoes. It connects the furniture together. But even with a rag, the most important rule is leaving empty space to walk. Don't block the path. A luxury home allows you to move freely. You can walk smoothly from the door to the living room without hitting any furniture. This smooth flow of space makes the house feel grand and very important. As you watch these pictures slowly change, think about your own home entrance. You don't need to change everything in one day. Great design happens on small steps at a time. Maybe tomorrow you can clear the shoes from the floor. Maybe next week you can buy a beautiful round mirror. Maybe tonight you can light a small candle on the table near the door. Every small detail adds up to create a beautiful life. We make these videos because we believe that taking time to look at beautiful things helps to heal the mind. When you fill your eyes with order, cleanliness, and soft light, your brain learns to relax. Your home is most personal space in the whole world. It should be the place where you are the happiest. The entryway sets the mood for the entire house. If the entrance is chaotic, the house feels chaotic. If the entrance is peaceful, the whole house feels peaceful. Notice how simple the decorations are. We don't place 50 small items on the cabinet. We choose 3 or 4 beautiful things: a vase, a candle, a small stack of elegant books, and a mirror. This is the rule of modern luxury. Keep it simple. Less is always more. When you have fewer things, the things you do have look much more expensive and important. We hope you are enjoying this relaxing visual gallery. We hope these ideas give you the energy and the inspiration to love your home even more. Remember that true elegance is a feeling, not a price tag. It is the feeling of walking into a space that is clean, organized, and filled with warm light. Thank you for spending this time with World Decor. We love sharing beautiful moments with you. If this video brought you peace and good ideas, please tell us in the comments. And which entryway designs made you feel the most welcome? Don't forget to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing interior design journeys. Have a wonderful, peaceful day and enjoy every moment in your beautiful home. Goodbye.